Hello students, first exercise 6th Roman up to 2 problems completed. Now third question, 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 equal to 7 cube. Let's go for answer. 7 2n plus 1 divided by 49 means by 49 equal to 7 cube. 7 power 2n plus 1 by, here 49 means 7 square equal to 7 cube. Again here a power m by a power n, a power m minus n. Here a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Like 7 power 2n plus 1 minus 2. A power m by a power n, a power m minus n equal to 7 cube. Again here bases are equal, powers also equal, means a power m equal to a power n implies m equal to n. Bases are equal, powers also equal. When equal to sign, now a power m equal to a power n, like m equal to n means 2n plus 1 minus 2 equal to 3. Here minus 2 plus 1 we get minus 1. 2n minus 1 equal to 3. 2n equal to 3 minus 1 send that side plus 1. 2n equal to 4. 3 plus 1 4. n equal to 4 by 2. Here 2n equal to 4, n equal to, here 2 multiply is there, send that side, divide. 2 ones, 2 twos, n equal to 2. Therefore n equal to 2. 7th question, find x if 2 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 2 power x. Here answer 2 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 2 power x. And we know that 1 by a power n equal to a power minus n. A power minus n equal to 1 by a power n. So this is identity. For this 2 power minus 3 equal to 1 by a power n means we can write a power minus n. 2 power minus x. 2 power minus x. Here bases are equal, powers also equal. Here a power m equal to a power n implies m equal to n. This is formula like this. Minus 3 equal to minus x. Both sides negative get cancelled. 3 equal to x means therefore x equal to 3. This is answer. 8th question. Simplify 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. Here answer 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. Here power negative is there. Power negative means we can write 1 by, means 1 by 3 by 4 whole square divided by 1 by 4 by 5 whole cube into, here 3 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 2. A by b whole power m. A power m by b power m, like. Here divided by means keep into sign, it will change it to reciprocal, like here 1 by means it will change it to reciprocal. 4 by 3 whole square into, here reciprocal already 5 by 4, again it will change it to 4 by 5 whole cube. Here divided by place keep into sign, here it will change it to reciprocal. into, here also power negative is there, send 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square, it will change it to 5 square by 3 square, 5 square by 3 square. Next, here 4 square by 3 square, we can write separate power, 4 square by 3 square into 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square by 3 square. Again here 4 power observe, 4 square 4 cube. We can write a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, like 4 power 2 plus 3 by, here 3 power observe, 3 square 3 square, 3 power 2 plus 2 into 1 by, here 5 cube 5 square, this send denominator 5 square, 5 cube minus 2, divide, send divide, here 2 plus 3 5, 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 1 by, here 3 minus 2 1, 5 power 1 nothing but 5. Here what answer? 4 power 5 into 1, 4 power 5 by, here 5 into 3 power 4, 5 into 3 power 4. This is answer. Here one condition, see here power negative, a power m by a power n equal to 1 by a power n minus m. Why? Because here n is greater. Condition. So like this formulas using here, and another one here a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Again see here power negative is there, 1 by we can write 1 by 3 by 4 whole square divided by 1 by 4 by 5 whole cube, means here 3 by 4 whole square change to 1 by means reciprocal, 4 by 3 whole square, here divided by is there, keep into sign, it will change to reciprocal, means 4 by 5 whole cube into, here power negative 5 by 3 whole square means 5 square by 3 square. Here again write separate a by b whole power m means a power m by b power m, like 4 square by 3 square into 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square by 3 square. Here a power m into a power n, like a power m plus n, 2 plus 3 5 means 4 power 5. Here 3 square into 3 square, 3 power 4 into, here 5 square by 5 cube, denominator is greater means n is greater than m, like 5 cube minus 2, denominator here 5 cube minus 2 means 3 minus 2 we get 1, 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 1 by 5, 4 power 5 into 1, 4 power 5, 5 into 3 power 4. This is answer. 9th question. If m equal to 3 and n equal to 2, find the values of 9m square minus 10n cube. See this answer. 9th question. First one given m equal to 3 and n equal to 2, find the value of 9m square minus 10n cube. Replacing m by 3, replacing n by 2 means 9m square minus 10n cube equal to 9m square, m means 3 square minus 10 into n cube, n means 2 cube. Here 9 into 3 square means 9, 3 3s 9 minus 10 into 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. Next 9 9s, here bracket means into, 9 9s 81 minus 10 8s 80. 81 minus 80 we get 1. This is answer. Second one, 2m square n square, replacing m by 3, replacing n by 2 means 2m square n square, 2 into m square means 3 square. N square means n means 2. 2 square. Here again 2 into 3 square means 9 into 2 square means 4. 2 into 9 into 4 we get 72. This is answer. Third question, 2m cube plus 3n square minus 5m square n. 2 into m cube means 3 cube plus 3 into n square, n means 2 square, minus 5 into m square, 3 square, n means 2. Here 2 into 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. We get 27 plus 3 into 2 square means 4 minus 5 into 3 square means 9 into 2. Here bracket means into. 27 2s 54 plus 3 4s 12 minus 5 into 9 into 2. 5 2s 10, 10 9s 90. Here positive 54 plus 60, 12. We get 66. These two positive add 54 plus 12 we get 66 minus 90. Big number to small number do subtraction. We get 24. Here minus is there. Minus 24 is answer. Next. Fourth question. M power n minus n power m. Given m equal to 3, n equal to 2. Here m power n 3 square minus 2 cube. M power n minus n power m. 3 square means 9 minus 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. We get 8. 9 minus 8. Answer 1. This is answer.